Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Levi's USA. And this package came all the way from Louisville, Kentucky, which is the source or main warehouse of Levi's USA. I ordered this item on March 8, and it arrived here in my place after 6 days. It is very fast. It was through USPS. I have here the package, and it came all the way from Louisville, Kentucky, and it took 6 days to reach my its destination in the place where I'm staying here. So we're going to unbox this item. This is the Levi's Premium in vintage fit, their trucker jacket Sherpa. So you see a polyester lining, and this is my first time to have this item from Levi's, and this is a Sherpa lined Levi's jacket, trucker jacket, which is dark indigo. And it seems that it is dark indigo faded. The one that I ordered is dark indigo, but when it arrived, it's already some sort of a faded indigo already. So I don't know if there was a mistake, but I got this and I like it. And this is made in Cambodia. It's made in Cambodia, and it is size small. And it says here that it is made of recycled materials. The Sherpa includes a minimum of 50% reprib. It is a polyester fiber sourced from recycled plastic bottles. So this is a recycled, the material, the Sherpa lining, is a polyester made from recycled plastic bottles. Very nice. And this is under the Levi's Premium. And what is I have observed from this trucker jacket is they have snap buttons, very nice buttons. So it is very easy to snap it, unlike those trucker type 3 jacket where you have a button and you have to insert it inside the hole. So this is nice. All the buttons are snap buttons, and it is very easy to snap it or close it. And it is very warm to the body. Of course, the denim is 100% cotton. It is not stretchable, and this is very nice. and you have a inside pocket. This is a good place to store your cell phone and other valuable things. And on the sleeves, you have also a button, snap button on the hem on the sleeves. And you have a quilted lining on the sleeves. This is very nice. Instead of a Sherpa lining, they made this quilted cloth as a lining on the sleeve portion. So very nice. See? Actually, when I ordered this, it is on sale. It has 20% discount, and I paid only $44 for this. This is very cheap, and converted into peso, it is only 2,600 pesos, which is a good price, okay? And whenever it is winter time in the United States, this is the best jacket that you can wear in the United States during winter time. So it's nice. So to include the buttons, the pockets, you have snap pockets. Of course, the red tab Levi's. This is a very nice outfit for winter. As you know, I'm already old and I don't have so much fat in my body, and this is a very nice attire for winter in the United States. So we're going to fit this and we'll see. This is small, and I usually have a small size as my size in Levi's. It is very easy to wear. Just snap the button. And yeah, it's nice. Actually, I like the fit of the jacket, and I'm really a small size, and it looks great. And I can pair it also with a hoodie if the weather is extremely cold. So thank you for watching and have a good day. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please write your comments down below, and please click that notification bell so that you will be informed of my future videos to be posted on this YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.